gone beyond a fucking joke. You think I go to work just for you to spend all the money to the point where I can't even go to fucking work? I'm telling you now, I'm going to work late because of you. Right now. I don't have a fucking car. Do not know how to fucking make it on the train. And I'm fucking late.
And simple request. I told you to do me some stuff.
You can only do half of the request. Maybe 5 even. Okay. And Nero, if you really want to still be here and utilize all my money and shit, you cannot go anywhere during the week, man. You can't. I went to work late yesterday because of you. The only help that I ask you is to wake me up. If you can't do that, I will leave you and I will find someone else who can help me. Because you fuck all. We've got to try and find some sort of form of income. Because you are not getting any more money. I don't give a fuck. This is, man. You think they're going to spend every last penny that I have? You know, shit, yeah? Do this on my first week of that. It's my fucking phone. Where's my phone? I just have my phone. Well, nothing.